how to do it. If you look at the cheese video, how to make the cheese sauce, bechamel is the sauce that you make before you add the cheese to it. So it's really simple, and the link obviously is over there somewhere. Let's get underway. Right, so you see our bowl. This is our ragu which we made earlier on. It's absolutely delish. Just put a base layer in there. Our lasagna sheets.